No HOA in this neighborhood. The neighbor has his car up on blocks. And that's not going to get corrected anytime soon because there's the wiring harness is hanging out below it. All the downstairs flooring would need replacement, 100% paint. One of the things that I did once is I took this area out here and just made it one large area. It looks a lot better. Vinyl floors, laminate counters. Maybe the stove can stay. Well, obviously we need a patio back here. Remove this, at least an 8x10. Probably put in a couple, 3 plants. Okay, the light doesn't work out here, but let's see, I see, where's the water heater? I think I see it over in the corner there. Let's see if I can turn, well, I can't turn the light here. Okay, there's no light to turn on, so that's dandy. Okay, well anyway, looks like a normal garage. The door is damaged somewhat. As I said, the carpet needs to go. These blinds, at least some of this blind is a little plastic stuff. But these are the better quality. Different types of doorknobs on things. We would want to normalize that. Vinyl floor. Vinyl floor. The fan is damaged. Vinyl floor in here too. Vinyl floors. Well, all the flooring needs to be replaced. A lot of the window blinds do. Doorknobs don't match. There's a, general types of work, nothing severe, but just a fair amount of it. And that's it.